now what you're going to need for this project is you're going to need some harvest pumpkins. I picked this one up from Walmart. They were $5.98 each. And this one has like some blue splatter on it. Then you're going to need some Mod Podge, a paintbrush, and I'm doing the coastal feel or the beachy feel. And I found these cocktail napkins. This is from a company called Casperia, I believe. Right, there's the name of the company. But they were like $5.50 for a whole pack. And I was trying to look for places to get these where they were really reasonable. And that was probably one of the most reasonable that I found. I think on one place they were selling 2 napkins for like $2.97 a piece. But this is a whole pack of... Okay, and I've trimmed it out and then put a layer of Mod Podge on it. So now we're going to let it dry. I've done one on this side, and then I did the larger one back here on that side. So now we just got to let it dry.